Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level Physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer A, well done. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So, a wire is made from material of density ρ. The wire has a mass m and an initial length L. The tensile force in the wire is F, the extension of the wire is delta L. What is the Young modulus of the material? So we can start off by just looking at some equations you're given. The Young modulus, which I think I'll just abbreviate to Ym from now on, is equal to the tensile stress over the tensile strain. We also know that the tensile stress is equal to the force on the wire over its cross-sectional area, and the tensile strain is given by the extension, delta L, over the initial length. So I can substitute these values into this original equation. So the Young's modulus is equal to the force multiplied by the original length over the area divided by the area and the extension. Now if I look at the possible answers I've got here, I can see they've got force and length and extension in, but they don't have area. Instead they have ρ, the density, and m, the mass. So let's have a think how we can find a term for the cross-sectional area in terms of density and mass. So let's have a look at a wire. And we'll give that wire a length L and a cross-sectional area A. Well, the volume of that wire is going to be the area multiplied by its length. Its mass is going to be equal to the volume multiplied by its density, which is ρ. So the mass of that wire is ρ A L. I can rearrange this equation to make A the subject. So the cross-sectional area is given by the mass over the density and the length of the wire. Now I can substitute m over ρl for A into this equation. So I find that the Young modulus is going to be equal to F L over delta L, and then instead of A, we can write it at that form. And quick bit of rearranging. Instead of 2 terms for L, L squared. And we have answer A. If you found this useful, please do press the like button. All comments will be welcome. Perhaps you've got a question you'd like me to go through. And I hope you'll share this video and watch more in the series.